Hi, I'm Bruce Momjian. Today I'll be delivering a talk called The Wonderful World of WAL. The write-ahead log is a fundamental part of Postgres. It allows implementation of crash recovery, physical replication, and logical replication. People who are curious how these features work and how to make best use of them will find this talk entertaining and useful.
Hello everyone, my name is Radwan. I'm part of the global black belt team in Microsoft, covering EMEA, focusing on Postgres and other open source databases. This session is building event-driven systems with Postgres, logical replication, and Drasi. In this session, I'll show you 3 ways to tap into that stream and build event-driven architectures directly on Postgres. We will run live benchmarks, compare real latency numbers, and look at working code that you can deploy today.
Hello there, my name is Pavlo Golub, and I'm a senior developer/consultant at Cybertech. And today I want to introduce you my new tool, pgcov, which helps DBAs, developers, DevOps, managers to measure the coverage of SQL and pgSQL code to know which parts of your code are actually executed during the tests.
Hi, my name is Jeremy. I am a Postgres engineer at Geico.
Hi, my name is Leo. I am a CloudNativePG maintainer.
We're going to be talking about an exciting feature in cloud-native Postgres called failover quorum.
And you definitely need to know it if you use synchronous replication.
Hey everyone, my name is Abe, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the most important shifts in the way we work with databases today. The move from simple queries to AI agents. So if you're a builder or someone who just loves to make apps on the side, you can stay for this talk.
Hi everyone, I'm Divya Bhargov from Postgres team at Microsoft. Today we are going to be diving into the real-world performance gains of Postgres 18 over 17 using actual production query patterns. No synthetic benchmarks here, just SQL you'd really run. Let's explore not only how much faster it is, but why it's faster and what that means for your workloads.
Hi everyone, I'm Julia.
Hi, I'm Paula.
And together we are responsible for the development of Serenity Star. We are also active users of Azure database for PostgreSQL. We've been using it for the past couple of years as part of the infrastructure setup of our platform, and we want to share with you some of the lessons that we've learned along the way.
Today we'll walk you through how we implemented Retrieval augmented generation in Serenity Star, including some of the architectural decisions behind it. We will talk about the challenges we face and how we solve them using Azure for database for PostgreSQL.
Hi, my name is Varun Dhawan. I'm a principal PM with Azure Database for Postgres team at Microsoft. Today, I'm going to talk about the massive shift which is happening in the data architecture pattern and the rise of Postgres as the everything database. So please join me.
Hi everyone, I'm Sai Srirampur and I'm here to talk about Postgres isn't slow, your storage is. In this talk, we'll double click on what are the common problems that Postgres users run into. We'll see that most of these common problems tie back to disk and IO performance. We'll also present the secret sauce that solves most of these problems, which is local NVMe storage. We'll do a bunch of benchmarks which show local NVMe performance over EBS-backed storage. And as an icing on the cake, we'll talk about how do we take this to production? How do we get an enterprise-grade Postgres with local NVMe? Great to be here again.
Hello, everyone. My name's Dingding. I am a product manager at Microsoft. Welcome to Posette 2026. Today, I'm going to bring you a talk called Why We Built Azure HorizonDB. If you are a developer or a DBA and wondering what additional benefit Azure HorizonDB may bring to you, this is the talk you want to join.
Hello, my name is Sarat. My talk is about maintaining large tables in PostgreSQL. I'll be discussing about various performance challenges associated with maintaining large tables in Postgres database, along with recommendations or solutions to have a consistent performance. The talk basically targets database developers and database administrators.